Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we'll be unboxing a brand new chocolate from Nestle KitKat. The chocolate that we'll be unboxing is the KitKat Dessert Delight Rich Chocolate Fudge flavor. So this is a chocolate bar which we are going to unbox today, and we are going to do a quick review about it, and I'm going to tell you how does it taste, what is the texture of the chocolate, and more about the chocolate, like how does it compare to the original KitKat, and what are the other flavors available in it, and many more things. So stay tuned with us for this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on the upcoming videos about new KitKat flavors. So let's go and start off with the review of the product. First of all, we will be talking about the packaging of the product. So if you all can see the packaging of the product, it has the original red color packaging of KitKat along with a new golden color shade to it, which gives it a very premium approach or the very premium appeal to the whole packaging here. So you all can see there's a red color, original KitKat red color, and then the half side is the golden color, which makes it really stand out. Right on top we have the KitKat branding here. So there's a big KitKat branding here along with the Nestle branding, like on any other KitKat chocolate. So they have the KitKat branding here and the Nestle branding right here. Then they have the Dessert Delight branding here, the chocolate Dessert Delight branding here, and the flavor of the chocolate, which is Rich Choco Fudge, is given here. Apart from Rich Choco Fudge, the Nestle KitKat Dessert Delight is also available in other amazing flavors like chocolate pudding and then brownie and more variations of it. 3 more flavors are there which we are going to buy and review in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned for that as well. Coming back to our packaging here. So we talked about that there's a branding right here, the KitKat branding right here, the Dessert Delight branding here. Then we have the name of the flavor here. And then there are illustrations of the KitKat fingers right here for you all, along with some chocolate shown here. There's some chocolate shown here. Moving below, we have a chocolate coated dessert inspiration tagline given here. Going at the sides of the box, here is the KitKat branding. The tagline you can see, have a break, have a KitKat written here. And on the other side again we have the KitKat branding, the Dessert Delight branding, and the name of the flavor, which is Rich Choco Fudge. Coming on the back side of the chocolate box, there's a quote given from KitKat here which says, KitKat Dessert Delight Rich Choco Fudge is an indulgent play of rich chocolate and signature KitKat crispiness that brings you delight in every bite. So go on and unwrap a delicious break. So we are going to go on and unwrap a delicious break today, and let's see how much it lives up to the expectation and all the hype it has created in the market today about the KitKat Dessert Delight. Moving on, they have mentioned the ingredients here, and 76% of this chocolate is milk chocolate. It contains other ingredients like sugar, milk solids, cocoa butter, cocoa solids, and water, sugar, hydrogenated vegetable fats, milk solids, edible vegetable fats, flour treatment agents, various other ingredients. Moving on, they have given the nutritional facts here. 100 gram serving packs energy of 460 kcal. It contains 6.3 grams of protein as well. Moving on, coming to the net weight of this product, the net weight is 150 grams. This packet is 150 grams and it is priced at rupees 160. So the MRP of the Nestle KitKat Dessert Delight Rich Choco Fudge is priced at rupees 160. So that is the MRP of the product, and the shelf life of the Nestle KitKat Dessert Delight is 12 months from manufacturing date. Right at the bottom here, on the right hand side bottom, we can see a vegetarian logo given here stating that this product is 100% vegetarian, so the vegetarians can enjoy this product without thinking about eating something non-veg. So this is a complete vegetarian product. So the overall packaging feels quite premium. The overall look of the packaging is given, which is quite premium. The red and golden color really stands out. So when I went to the store to buy it, actually I really got attracted by just looking at the packaging of the KitKat Dessert Delight. It really stood out there on the shelf in the supermarket that pulled my attention to it. That is how good the packaging really looks, and I'm really excited to see how does the chocolate actually taste, because I'm a big fan of KitKat and I really like the original KitKat biscuit wafer biscuits, wafer biscuit chocolates. So I can't wait to unbox this product and try the new KitKat Dessert Delight Rich Choco Fudge. So let's stay tuned for the review and let's go ahead and unbox this product. So to unbox this product, there is a unique thing that there's a strip here which we just need to pull off. So we have pulled off the strip, and here it opens up, the box opens up. So you all can see I just pulled the strip out and the box has opened up. So you can see the box is open, and now inside there is the KitKat. So here comes the KitKat which is wrapped in golden color foil paper with the KitKat branding written all over it. So this is the inside cover of the KitKat. This is the inside wrapping of the KitKat, and we get a total of 10 fingers in this packet. So we get a total of 10 KitKat fingers in this packet. So stay tuned. We are going to unwrap it and give a review on the same. So guys, what we are going to do is we are going to unwrap this product right now. We are going to unwrap the KitKat Dessert Delight from the golden wrapping and see how the product looks. So here's the product. Here are my pair of scissors. I'm going to cut it open right now. And here we go. So you can see that every finger is again divided into from the middle, so that one finger can be broken into two pieces and enjoyed. So yeah, so you get a total of 10 fingers in this, and we are going to just break one finger right now. So I have taken one finger right now here, and we are going to do a taste test of the KitKat Dessert Delight right now. So there is also a KitKat branding on each finger as well. So let's start with first breaking the KitKat finger. So you can see there's a lot of chocolate compared to the actual KitKat fingers that we get. There's a lot more chocolate involved in this. There's a good thick layer of chocolate on it, and then there are 3 layers of biscuit as well inside the KitKat finger. There are 3 layers of biscuit as well. So let's go ahead and taste this product, and I'm going to tell you how does it taste and how different it is from the original KitKat that is available. The taste is very different from the original KitKat. It has that rich chocolate feeling in this, very premium chocolate feel that comes with it. Not very sweet, not that bitter as well, but very rich milk chocolate flavor which is coming from this, along with the crispiness of the biscuit. So I really like this because there's a lot more chocolate in it than the original KitKat finger. There's more chocolate, there's crispiness of the biscuit wafer as well, and the taste is much better it's compared to the original KitKat. So I really like the Dessert Delight Rich Choco Fudge. It is quite nice, very much different from the original KitKat. So if you like KitKat, I'm sure you're going to like this because it has much more premium taste than the original KitKat. So guys, if you all have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more amazing chocolate review videos.